Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Well, it's time to put up the Christmas tree and the trains around the Christmas tree. So let's get at it and see how long it takes me by myself to do this. Not bad. This is an old one we had in California. I don't think we've used this one's been up in like 8 years. So so I left the other one with the colored lights on it down there. And I brought this one up here so we'd have a Christmas tree here for the grandkids to see. So, tree's up. I gotta tweak some of the branches so I get them fluffed out a little bit more. But basically it's up. Now I gotta start on the trains. I'm gonna pause this while I get the train stuff out before I can set it up. And Thomas. Oh, Thomas is so tired. He's all puffed out. Are you all puffed out, Thomas? Or are you mad? Urgh. Or, see if we can get the other one off here. Oh man, that was a tough job. Or are you happy, Thomas? I'm going to have pouty Thomas when the grandkids come over so they go, oh, what did we do wrong? So I should have enough curved track pieces to do 2 complete circles. And with the straight pieces in between, I can do 1 circle within another. I got to take a break. Okay, I did a little bit more last night, playing around with track stuff. Just putting things together, taking it apart, putting it together, taking it apart, trying to get how I want it to lay out. And so I've got a little bit here, so I'm going to go ahead and finish it up here, and then I'll explain what I did. All right, so there it is set up. Now I'm going to move you in closer here. All right, so I'm going to have to replace a little short piece like this here with one that's a little bit longer. Take care of that little gap I got over here. That's what I have for the grandkids. I'll have a video of them later when they come over and I got it all finished, set up and running, and you can watch them all freak out and go, "Oh, trains, trains, trains," like little kids do. Alrighty, so take care and I'll see you in the next video.